How to install Microsoft Excel on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can install Microsoft Excel on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Google browser and in the search bar, type in Microsoft Excel download. Then you have to go to the Microsoft Excel 365. Once you're here, now you have to sign in your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken in this interface. Here, you have to click on Install Apps. And here it says, you have to go premium with Microsoft 365 to install the latest premium application on your PC or Mac. So if you have a premium account, you can go with your premium Microsoft account to install all of the latest application. Or if you have a product key, then you could also do that. Once you install this Microsoft 365, you need to activate it. And once the activation is complete, now you could install Microsoft Excel from the Microsoft 365 on your device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.